All right, welcome back to eSIM Studios. We have a case review for the Pixel 8 Pro. It is the iVoler. Let me turn the flash off here. It is the iVoler Shockproof military grade drop protection silicone case with a semi-clear back. This is the dark purple color. And they come in numerous colors, right? We have a dark purple here, we have a dark green, we have a clear, and then we have a black. Now the clear looks like it's all TPU. Clear silicone might come in. Actually, you know what? Let's look at this. And they range in price from $8 up to $11. Yeah, that one looks like it's all clear silicone. The others have a excuse me, not clear silicone. That is a clear TPU, right? And then the color ones have silicone around the borders and edges, and then the back panel here looks like a frosted, clearish type TPU material. But we will check the case out. I'll link this in the description. There are no kickbacks, or we are not affiliated with iVoler. We're simply just reviewing this to give you the best honest review if you are indeed interested in purchasing this case. Okay, let me get the flashback on so we can look at this in detail. This is I actually really like this case. Now, purple, not so much, but my wife purchased this. But they do have other colors, as I mentioned, so if you like this design and this style, please go check out the other colors that they have. Now, this is looks like a silicone. It's a two-material construction. As you can tell, this is the clearish, not really clearish, it's kind of faded type of look where you can't see completely through it, and it actually gets more hazy the farther distance you go, but it does look cool with the back of the Pixel on there. And it looks like it's a fairly decent construction. With some of the cheaper ones, you got to worry about if they're two materials forged together to make one case. On the cheaper ones, you do have to worry about them over time coming apart, just with wear and tear. Now, kind of like these silicone cases where some of this fabric inside might start peeling off over time. But this actually looks like it's pretty well constructed. You can't really put your nail in there to get it apart. So it is forged together fairly well. It does look like a really thought out and well designed case. Now, is it flimsy? Not really. A little bit, but not so much, right? Because with another cheap silicone case that's 100% silicone, this thing, you can bend it up. It's super flexible. This one is more of a rigid construction, and that comes from the cloudy TPU panel on the back. Gives it some rigidity. You can't bend it from the sides, so it does give it some type of construction. And let's see, does it have air pockets in the corners? It looks like it a little bit. It sure do, which helps with drop protection and absorbing that impact if it falls on a corner. You have a nice, look at that, huge big camera protection. Look at that. That's perfect. So if you want your camera protected, this case will definitely do it. Let's see, you got the cutout for the speaker grill up top, cutout for the power, and the speakers at the bottom. You have a insert for a wrist lanyard, and you have these, let me see if I can focus. There we go. Damn it. You have the cutouts, there we go, for the volume down, volume up, and power. It's pretty cool. I like how they real attention to you get a lot of detail, and it looks to it appears that you do get a fair amount of detail and thought put into this case for it being only, what, $11. And you have the mic cut out top. Another cool thing I'm noticing, and I didn't even notice it until I'm looking at it right now. I've used this for all day today to see, just to see if there's any thing I don't like about it. And there's nothing I don't like about it, minus the color. It's kind of girlish, but like I said, it's for my wife. But they do have black, they do have green, and but so check this out. It's got, you see how the edges, damn, my focusing issues. See how the edges are curved up or curved in as where you hold it, where your palm would be? And then around each corner, they give it extra silicone, extra protection around each corner. Now, it's not protruding. Like, some of those super annoying cases that have huge bumpers on all four corners. I hate that. It looks disgusting. It looks ugly. This, you do get extra material on all four corners, but this actually, you don't even notice it. And it's got the, as you can tell, it's got the air pockets in the corners as well. You see how it curves down here where you hold it, and then it curves up for this corner protection. So it's really cool. Is it slippery? Look, it's not the grippiest case. As I was using it today, actually there's no grips on the sides, right? It's slick, but check this out. Where it actually curves up for each corner, here and here, it actually helps your hand. That's why, okay, well, that makes sense. I was using this today. I was like, let me throw this on. I'll review it later. It grips in your hand. It fits in your hand really good when you're holding the phone. And look, it's because right where the corner comes up, your palm rests right there. And then when you're holding it on the other side, your finger will rest up against this curvature right there. So it actually, look, for a cheaper case, it's actually really well designed. I'm actually pretty impressed. It feels really good in the hand. It's soft. And I believe this provides decent protection. So actually, this is probably a good buy. If you like this style, I would definitely recommend this. Let's go ahead and throw it on the phone and see what kind of screen and lip protection we got. It looks like it comes up and around the screen of the device fairly well. Yeah, let's throw it on. Cool. Goes on nice and easy. And we'll check to see, does it block or push up on the screen protector? No, it does not. Cool. So let's see exactly that you got the cutout for the earpiece speaker grill up top. Nice room there, plenty of room for any plug you have in the home. Precise cutouts for the speakers. Let's see the mic. Yep, perfect cutout for the microphone up top. If I can focus, there we go. And let's look at the lip here. So this does have a screen protector. If you do not have a screen protector on there, it'll be more of a lip. The screen protector raises the height of the screen 0.33 millimeters, but this case does come up and over the screen protector, the glass screen protector. That's good because, look, as you can tell on the left side and the right side, you can tell it slightly sits up higher than the screen protector. And look where my index finger is on the top of the screen right here. You can tell the case comes up and over the screen protector. That's good because when you lay the phone face down on a surface, a countertop, whether it be marble countertop or basic, wood countertop or surface like this, a desk, whatever, it's not going to scratch. And if you drop it, unfortunately, that extra space prevents any gravel or any small rocks on the ground from breaking into or scratching your screen. So it's not a huge amount, but it's just enough, as you can tell. It's just enough so the screen and or screen protector does not touch. Now, let's look at this camera bar. Wow. Look at that protection. That is awesome. So you not only get one layer where my finger and nail is right there, but you get this second layer which provides double protection. Wow, see how far the not only the camera sensors sit for the glass, but look at the flash in the thermometer. Look how now that's awesome, because not only can you lay the phone flat or on its back, and you're not going to scratch up your camera bar, but obviously if you drop it, as we were just describing for the front of the screen, provides ton of protection. Looks really nice too. Again, this is the blue Pixel. Looks really nice. We'll test the actually, you know what, let's test the charging port and the wireless charging right now. So we got the wireless charger here. We got the factory Google USB Type-C cable that comes with the device. Goes in nice and easy. And let's try wireless charging. Should work, but we'll do it just to make sure. Yep, charging wirelessly. And that works. And we check the mic. Let's check for the clickies. Let's check for the clickies out there. Ready? I'll hold it up to the phone so you can hear it better. Nice. So you do get a fair amount of clickies. You get style. You get style. You get protectability. You get design, durability. So actually, I put this right up there. Look, it's definitely going to protect you better than a basic silicone case. It's more rigid, gives you more protection on the camera, probably on the front side of the screen as well. And so if you like silicone cases, but you just want a little more protection than your average basic silicone case like that, definitely go pick this up. It's got a cool, depending on what color pixel you have, it's, you can color match these pretty neat with the color variants that they have, and depending on what color pixel you have. So let's take it off real quick just to see if it's hard to get off. Some of these are super rigid and so hard to take off. No, it goes on nice and easy. Goes in nice and easy. So cool. All right, well, that'll do it. This is the iVoler case for your Pixel 8 Pro. I will link this case in the description. And we appreciate the view. We got plenty more case reviews on the way. I'm looking at a few more right next to me. So the recording continues. Catch us on the next one. If you got any questions on this one, give me a holler in the comments. Peace out.